for this Oldsmobile Silhouette 2002, where the thermostat is located.
Hold on. What's up, everyone? Thank you for supporting my channel by subscribing and liking my videos. This is Half Bowl of Soup, where everything goes. Make sure you check out my other more specific channels.
Is if you follow the upper hose on the radiator here, and you follow it in there, that's where the thermostat is, at the end of this pipe, right under the throttle here. Okay, and I just made a video where I replaced the thermostat. This is pretty much what you do. You remove the reservoir, then you remove this bar. It's only two. For the reservoir, you just pull this thing up. Sometimes I take this up just by yanking it out of there. And then it has two clamps here that clamp on the bar, but that's just for location. And it has a tab over here that sticks into the thing. But pretty much all you need to do is remove this and pretty much just grab it here and lift it, and the whole thing will just come out. This thing, you just pop it out, just pull it out, and then you remove the bar. Then you want to remove this strap and this strap over here, and you want to remove all the connections for this here. There's one connection here, there's one connection here, but once you remove these two straps here, then you kind of want to make sure you bend this guy and take it out. You have to kind of fight it to take it out, but just pull it out, take it out. Once you take that out, then you remove these two clamps over here. You just pull them up and lift them, and then the whole thing just come up. So you take this out, then this out. So that's this, and this. Then you need to get rid of the throttle. To remove the throttle, you're going to have to remove a screw that is on this pipe, this metal water heater pipe right here. Underneath it there is a screw. You need to remove that, and then remove the other screw that is over here. It's right there. And you need to remove these two screws up here, where my two fingers are. Then once you do that, you can just grab the throttle and just lay it over here. Then that's when you can get access to the thermostat. It's kind of hard. You're gonna have to watch my video because I explain how to remove the cover here. This metal, the metal section of the pipe here. The thermostat is right there. But to remove this, it's kind of complicated. You're gonna have to watch my video to do that. But that's where it's located.
Thank you for supporting my channel by subscribing and liking my videos.